deep and low. What is that sound? It belongs to someone I don't know. But when I come true, that's when you say I'm putting on a show. When I'm asleep, I see myself behind my eyes. Inside the dark, I'm more than sound and shape and size. I'm coming true, and what of you? I look out and realize I'm a bird. Can't you hear how I sing so sweet and clear that I nearly touch the sky? Every word on a wing, such a pretty little thing. When I sing, when I sing, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, such wicked dreams wake me up into the cruel sound of my own voice, full of gravity in every pound. This can't be true. What can I do to get back up off the ground? Give me the sky, far away from people telling me, look at yourself. The Lord made you only what you see. That isn't true. I always knew that He wanted me to be like a bird. Can't you hear how I sing so sweet and clear that I nearly touch the sky? Every word on a wing, such a pretty little thing. When I sing, when I sing, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. A gentle name, a tiny frame. Goodness, how the boys all cling. And in my dress, no need to guess. Nobody's ever wondering. Not a mention, my reflection doesn't challenge anything. You can hear it when I sing. When